Well, the weekend is almost here, and I've already put out my traveling tips video like I always do on Thursday night. If you haven't checked it out, please do so. My weekly update did come out today, and that rounds up all of our latest content, all of our latest videos, and I encourage you to visit that as well. I will link it into this video. With that said, over the weekend, if you are arrested, one of the most important things that your family can do is to contact a criminal defense lawyer as soon as possible. And the reason is because you want to ensure that bail is not an issue in your case. If whoever you're in front of after you're arrested, whether it be a judge or a magistrate or a district justice, you want to make sure that that person understands that you are represented by an attorney and they are going to be there by your side and argue for your bail. You don't want to allow the Commonwealth just to put in a bail recommendation and for the magistrate or the judge to simply accept it, which is very likely to happen. And in many situations, especially in Philadelphia, we're seeing very, very high bails. And the thing you don't want to do is have a very high bail and your family would have to post the money, or your criminal defense lawyer, when he or she is retained, will have to file a separate petition. That will cost you additional money, and in addition, it will take some time. It will not be immediate, and I can almost guarantee you that they will not hear the motion over that weekend. So more than likely, you will spend at least a few days in jail, if not more. With that said, it's very important that any criminal defense lawyer has a 24 hours a day, 7 days a week number. That's why we have one in Pennsylvania, 215-755-9000. In New Jersey, 856-793-7429. The bail process is very different in Pennsylvania than it is in New Jersey. I will link in an article on the bail process and the bail factors in Pennsylvania. I will also link in an article on the New Jersey bail reform system and what that involves. But again, also with regards to your attorney, you want to hire a lawyer who's focused on criminal defense, and especially one who's not wasting time, criticizing political candidates either way. This isn't a political statement, but I always question these lawyers in private practice who really go after these political candidates on both sides, Republicans, Democrats, whatever, independent candidates. And I always question these people who just go after, whether it be President Trump or Joe Biden, what their motives are. And really, if a supporter of President Trump comes to you or a supporter of Joe Biden comes to you, are you not going to represent them? And if you are representing them and you feel that strongly against a candidate and you're going so far as to just use vulgar language and all the inappropriate comments, I question, really, are you really going to fight for that person? And if you say you are, do you really mean it? I just have questions about that. Hire an attorney. Don't hire this political advocate, and they say that they're just sticking to their principles, and I can understand that. But being an attorney, you represent people. You don't represent parties. And when you're that far into a candidate, either way, and you make that known to everybody, I would question whether or not you truly, truly, truly will give your heart and soul to represent a person who doesn't necessarily see eye to eye with you with regards to political views. So if you have questions, please give us a call, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429. Our website, GamboneLaw.com, a tremendous resource. No other law firm in either Pennsylvania or New Jersey has a site like that with our blog, our books, our videos. I literally have hundreds of videos and blogs all available to you. I encourage you to check it out. Have a great weekend, and I will talk to you all soon.